My people, how na day? How na they enjoy? So many good news. And first of all, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I just want to welcome all the people who just joined new, like recently. I wake up one morning, see I don't get like 5 or more subscribers, and I been not expect that one at all. So welcome to my channel. I guess good news is spreading around and people they talk about me. I guess for people to subscribe, not just I get views, but I never really get like subscribers back to back like that. And even though it's small, that small mean a lot. Once again, I go always just say, remember, say this our community, this channel na community for everybody. You help me, I help you. So ignore the noise. Now 3rd of July, and everybody knows the 4th of July. Now American people, their independence, so then they celebrate and like it's not their Christmas with that. And also I am looking fantabulous. I know, because in 2 days time is gonna be my birthday, so I did my birthday photo shoot today and my birthday dinner, so that's why I'm looking so fly. Now I want to talk about something very important. People they reach out to me. I don't see like 2 or 3 people don't reach out to me personally. They tell me, ask me about age difference for this petition process. And some of them they're skeptical because a lot of times it's always, especially if an American way they deal with, it always be said the American person go senior you with like 20 years. This is especially for the guys, because I know say for the most part, my guys always meet women with senior them well. I know you want to know how I take meet them. I know okay. The thing be say, when I don't miss them, they won't bring when I come America and be the main thing. So now that one I go focus on mainly. But I go use basically my own story, take talk this matter now. In case I don't know, my ex-husband senior me with 33 years. 33 years. Yes. And at the time, I don't care about age. What be age? Age is just a number, abi. And him maybe they worried about say I be young girl, would I go really understand old man like him and all those kind of things. And I was like, besides, I be get friends with around the age when I been in Nigeria. So what's in there? So I don't really, it don't really bother me until I reach point of entry. When I reach point of entry, and they ask me, say which one why they want marry, why they marry old man like this, I be want marry old man like this. Whether I really marriage, I've been waiting. I said, ask me that question after they pray. Ask me to speak in tongues inside me. Now the other one, then they partners. The second person can reply, can ask and say, why would they ask me that kind of question? Say love is love. And you know, America, they always the freedom of everything. Now yeah, we gay, strong pass. Everything, everybody here get power, everybody here get mouth. So that statement when the guy talks, say love is love, and just weak the other one. The other one not even getting to talk. So when I want advice on the way they worried about age difference, we say that one are nothing. Not they think my ex-husband senior me with 33 years old. 33 years. Now, when the man did 33 years, then they born me. He reached up my papa and son. So it don't mean anything. And at the end of the day, I don't leave him because old or anything. I don't even care. I leave him because he was very, very abusive to me. That one another story I go tell on another time. So now they feel bad. The only thing where you go look at them be say, make you know say person where they want marry, senior you well, and in a generation not be the same. So a lot of things not go be the same. A lot of things concerning communication, concerning culture, concerning a lot of things no go be the same. So make you not go marry and enter house, come they expect them to do anything person your age go they do. Me why no good. I know what I talk in terms of bone. This is their bones no they when they snow their bones not too strong as your bones strong. Maybe or rather they adventurous. You don't want to go here, go there. Then they don't do all those things already. But when they meet your age, you don't come they expect them say you go they drag them, they go do all those things. And I not say you go want make them follow you do those things because of evidence in terms of pictures and all those things. But why that is also okay, you need to find another way to go around that picture evidence and stuff. So now the only thing, but other than that, not a fear. They ask you for port of entry or for your interview. This person senior you with all this age. What's be the thing one or two gets in common? You pick all the things one or two they enjoy. Like me, my ex-husband, me and I like to travel. Like me, I like to travel where I be travel junkie. for this America, where I don't know how many years, I know how many states for this country I don't travel. And I know what I can never leave this country, go other country states. So me I be travel junkie. He may be travel junkie. So that thing, me and I get them in common. We know how many places me and I go for this country where me and I made it together. That one I one thing. Then the other thing again, where me and I get common at church. You know, him be Christian, me I be Christian. I hold God tight, him hold God tight according to him. But you know, so you look for common ground. That's one or two take hold. When they ask you that question, you use that one, answer them. You understand? Not the fear. This video now basically to tell us make one and the fear. Not the fear say your person senior you well. Not the fear. There's nothing to fear there. And once again, I go repeat this thing and I always repeat them. Always, I will still repeat them again. Don't be person carry you come America. Listen to me very well. When they question you, apart from the person who carry you come America, now they talk. The person who will question you, not be then carry you come here. The only person supposed to question you or you know ask you questions where they don't even ask you, now the person will carry you come here. But you see all this people for port of entry, interviewer, then they fear them. Basically, now they try to tell you, not be then they carry you come America. Then they fear them, then they look their face. If they ask you question, you answer them straight up. Because you know your truth and you hold on to your truth. Now, they always tell on now. Make sure say you they talk your truth. I like as now they listen to me. A lot of fun now, plenty during this period. Don't come back to me. Tell me say, this is what you tell me true. As I do like this for my interview, I talk true. It work for me. I like them because me I know what they talk. If I never experienced them, I not go tell you make you do them. It dey hear me. The one where me I know, now me I dey tell you now. The one where me I don't know, I go tell you say see the link to this person YouTube channel or see the link to the article where I read them. Take go read. But the one with me, I know say I know reach grand. I go tell you. And one of those things is be on your truth. Because make I tell you something. You see this country where they are so then they forget something, no. It go shock you. They go bring your history of 20 years ago to you. That statement where you make 15, 20 years ago. It go shock you, so then go bring them to you tomorrow. You don't even forget. Now if you lie for that statement, how you want to remember? That's when they go take catch you. You don't know what thing go there along your because this petition thing, this our K1 thing, it not be 1 year. K1 the last 5 years. I don't know anybody don't turn on this background. Nobody go turn on this one. Even USCIS no go turn on. The whole process from being a K1 petition person to citizenship regularly on paper now 5 years the process be. So if you start to lie from year 1 or month 1, how do you want make you think say you go remember the same story where you lie 5 years later? Because at the same file, it shocked me when I found out say my file from when I apply, and then they take do my adjustment of status, then bring an art. Now they are shocked. For my adjustment of status interview, my file from Nigeria, and then bring art, which was after like 1 year. You understand? So hold your truth. Once you hold your truth, what's be age, what's be hard and take meat, what's be distance, what's be family, what's be all those things. If you hold your truth, you stand on your truth. Nobody go fit shake you. So need the fear. No dey worry yourself. No dey too dey get say, oh, you don't marry 3 times. Oh, she don't born 500 children. Oh, her children senior me. This guy. If immediately you don't allow that fear into your mind, then go see them. Then go use that one and take hold you. So be confident. Look for things where you and your partner are getting common. Build on those things. So that when time reach, you go to answer question, you go answer your question certain way. Even the marriage scatter self, you go still answer the same question we answer before. Well, because now the truth. You get my point. So that's what I content on today be that. Make I need a fear. I go repeat them again. If you get anything you want to ask me in person, message me. I beg. I will sound this thing again. Do not send me an email except for that episode I say send me an email for this thing. Because the other day I remember I say send me an email. I don't forget the thing asked me send me an email for. Because I asked for that email because of the link. People come go, they send me email, they ask me question. No. I get each of my social media or internet platform get your own reason. I not told this thing before. I know they want sound harsh to now. I love you guys. People want to be my people. I don't want sound harsh, but I sabi set people for their place at the same time. I sabi create boundaries. No send me email. If you have question, ask in the comment section. So that in case another person will come watch video, look question. If you get the same question as you are, and you get the same, you go see the answer I give you. The comment section is the best place to ask me any question. Okay, if you say, oh, my question they very very intimate and they shame, or I don't want anybody to judge me, this question I want ask you na private, YouTube in the get message when they feel message person, I know they're gonna remove that feature, no problem. Use my name Joy Ada AKG, search for me for Facebook, message me for Facebook, no send me friend request, I'm not gonna accept them. Just message me for Facebook, tell me say this one are the question I want ask you. No find me for Instagram. Now I do that thing for 2 or 3 people, I did not like it. I don't need followers, no worry. If you want follow me for another reason, follow me. Don't follow me because I say I get YouTube channel for immigration. You can't go follow me for Instagram because you know go say any single nobody for my life know what they do for YouTube except I put my mouth tell them. So my Instagram they completely different, Facebook completely different, YouTube completely different. So no go message me for Instagram thinking say I go answer you because you go answer request and I feel not answer you. But Facebook Messenger, if you message me directly, tell me where you're coming from. For the most part, if you message me, I feel no see am because sometimes you get as they touch that app for head. But if you message me, still message me, I go see am. And that place that be the best because they always they reply people their messages. I go answer you your private message. But I go most prefer if you drop your comments for the comment section. Ask me comment, like ask me question. See, as they ask me question, ask it carry call, can do video. You ask me question and things when I tell me now I go take do my own research, can't take given a content. I know they do K1 beginning again. I know they that stage. I know they K1 again. I they which one be my own, so I don't even forget the category. I don't even tired. Pandemic scatter everything. So I know they that one again. Me, I don't go far. Me, I don't go far for the process. So I don't know most things. Now only on I come get questions and I ask me now go take great content. This particular age difference thing. I don't answer 1 person, answer 2 person, answer 3 person. I say no. I need to answer, I need to do this thing out there because for 3 people to come ask me the same exact question, 3 different people to ask me the same exact question. Hundreds of other people are there. And I have over 100 and something subscribers. Now say okay, make I do them. So no fear, no worry yourself. God dey by your side. Your truth dey by your side. You go make am. You dey hear me? People they meet me on almost at least once a month and they receive good news, say their interview go well or their petition have been approved. People they come meet me, they tell me, and they also tell me that thanks to mostly from my YouTube channel. So long as God dey here, God dey by your side, you dey hold on your truth. Nothing fit stop, nothing fit hold your ground. Just get your documents right, get your relationship right, and you're good to go. So now I go end the YouTube video for today. But I thank you for watching. Ask question. If you get any question you want to ask me, ask me. But remember, don't send me email except I say make you send me email. I beg you because I feel ignore you. Not send me DM for Instagram except you want on your own. Say you like me where you want to follow me for everywhere. You follow me for that one and for different case altogether. Message me directly from Messenger if you get any personal question where you know go make other people know about, and I will definitely answer you. I'm here for you guys. Thank you very much for watching.